Chesterfield and into Northampton. That's the area where we have potential for a tornado. If you look real closely here, and Nick, I'm just looking at the radar here, this is the area that I'm most concerned with. You can see this little area of a notch that's right in here. That's where that potential tornado could be. So we're keeping an eye out, and so far we have not seen a tornado indicated on the ground. From the National Weather Service, Doppler radar indicating a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Chester, or 11 miles west of Northampton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. So some locations in the warning include Chesterfield, Goshen, West Hampton, Southampton, Williamsburg, East Hampton, Hatfield, Whately, Hadley, South Hadley, and Granby. So in this area right here, again, I suspect is the area of largest concern here, Nick. Why don't we zoom in on that area as well?
And of course, what's important to remember is that this is a Doppler indicated tornado. No reports so far of any confirmed tornado on the ground. So we also have to keep that in mind here too.
That's right. And if you live in West Hampton, East Hampton, Northampton, best bet obviously right now is to get inside, get into a room that's in the interior of your house. Don't worry about closing windows or any of that sort of activity. You just want to get inside as soon as possible, because even if we don't see a tornado touch down with this particular storm system, there's going to be, excuse me, lightning and strong gusty winds associated with the storm as well.
We've had plenty of reports of hail out there with the storms that this has been associated with too. Nickel-sized hail.
Right.
Many of those reports out in Pittsfield. We've had many reports about penny-sized hail out there too. So there's certainly hail along with frequent lightning. The potential, of course, for damaging winds with this this dangerous storm.
That's right. And